Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials: an updated iPhone, Apple ID signed in, and two-factor authentication active. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a card. Choose Apple Card from the options. You do this because Wallet links your Apple ID to the card securely, which speeds verification. Once done, follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity and accept terms. Make sure to keep your photo ID and any billing info nearby to complete the step without interruptions. Now you complete identity verification and card setup. Enter your personal details exactly as shown on your ID. This avoids mismatches that block approval. After accepting the terms, verify via the text or email code Apple sends and enable Face ID or Touch ID for fast approval and secure payments. You should then choose whether you want the physical titanium card mailed or just the virtual card for immediate use. Once confirmed, Wallet will display your Apple Card ready to use. To pay in stores, double-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and tap your iPhone to the reader. This is quick and secure. You can review balance, payment due date, and daily cash right in Wallet, schedule payments, or set notifications to avoid interest. If a payment fails, make sure NFC is on, restart your iPhone, and check your network. If problems persist, contact Apple support or Goldman Sachs via Wallet. They can verify identity or resolve account holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.